Guys, today let us see about dictionary, which is a Python data type. So what is a dictionary? It is also a collection of data, and which can be mutable, which is changeable, and this dictionary is written in within the curly brackets, but in this we have key and value. This is the key differences between this and the list. This is what we have. Okay, so we will be writing the dictionary in within the curly brackets, and we will have a key and value for it. So let us see how we can write, or let us write a simple program. Say country, India. Okay. State, Tamil Nadu. District, Pycharm. Okay. Now, how we can get the output? Let us see that. Let's see that country, India, state. This is a dictionary. Okay. So which will have a key and the value to it. Now how we can figure out the values with the key name alone. So how to do that? Y equal to X, say district. So we need to see what district it belongs to. Okay. Conceivable. So this is the way we can get the values of each key parameters in the dictionaries. Now let us see how we can find the length of the dictionary. This is the same one, length in the brackets X. So let us see. Yep, you can see the length of dictionary is 3. Okay. Now let us see how we can add or delete the key values from the dictionary. Okay. What we can do is like, what I need to change, like I want to change the state Tamil Nadu to say something else like Karnataka. Okay. State. Let us see. You can see now like it has been updated as Karnataka instead of Tamil Nadu. This is how we can change the key values. Now let us go through loop statements. So we can loop through both key and value. We can loop through only keys, or we can loop through only values. So first what we'll do is like we'll just go through all the key names, how we can loop through all the key names. So this is very simple. For items in X. Okay. Print items. block statement, so it should be here. Let us run it. So you can see all the key values. Now if we want to go through get all the values, if you want to get all the values from the dictionary, we need to use value method for items in x.values. Okay, now let us see. So here you are getting the value of the key parameters. So next what we'll do is like we'll loop through both key and parameters, key and values. Like for item items start items item 1 and exit items. Okay, this is the method we need to call for items. Now let us see print item item 1. Here you can select country, India, state, Tamil Nadu, district, Pycharm. So it is iterating to both, it is looping through both key and parameters. Next what we can do is like we can add a new key and value to it. How we can do it? Let us see. Let us set a phone number equal to 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, print x you can see that 1 3 4 7 8. So this is how we can add both key and parameter to a dictionary. Then same way we can remove also. So for removing what we need to do is like just x.pop. So we're going to use this method pop and just get the thing, get the key value country. Okay, so it will automatically delete that particular key and value. I can see sorry, we should find out C should be caps. So Python is very case sensitive, so we should be very careful in that. You can see here state Tamil Nadu, district Pycharm, country India has been removed from here. Okay, I think this should be enough. So hope you have understood this video and the concept of dictionary. If you have liked my video, please press like button, and for more videos please subscribe my channel.